All right, welcome to Talking Investing. I am Tom, and as always, this is not financial advice. This is a special weekend edition. I'm making this Saturday night because it looks like Bitcoin is potentially in the middle of a breakout. I want to update everybody on the Bitcoin chart. The last time we did this was Thursday morning, so I'll show you where we were at then and what we were predicting and why I think we're looking at a breakout right now and where I'm hoping we're going. This should be a brief one, but we've been in a bit of a downward consolidation for the last 3 days, and it looks like we're breaking out of that. So I just wanted to get something out there to show everybody what I'm thinking. Let's go to the chart. So I have this on the 4-hour candles at the moment because this is the easiest way to see that I think a breakout is occurring. So if you take a look, this green candle right here was Tuesday morning at 8 o'clock. The top of this candle was at $64,300 even. So that was the peak of our latest run. Since then, since Tuesday, we have been trading inside of this downward channel. So if you remember, in my video on Thursday, we were right in this candle right here. So we were kind of testing the bottom of this new channel that we created. So we added these two green lines because we were clearly in a descending channel. From Tuesday the 2nd all the way through, this was Saturday at 8 o'clock, we were still trending downwards inside of this channel. We tested it several times, but could not break out. So we tested it on this 4-hour candle, on this 4-hour candle, and then again, and then again. But we were unable to break out all those times. However, on this candle at noon today, that 4-hour candle, which ended at 4 o'clock, did close above. So that was a good sign. But since then, we've now had another 4-hour candle open and close outside of that trading channel. And we're now in the middle of the next 4-hour channel. And this one is starting to have a more serious move to the upside. So, you know, if you look at this right here, to me, that is a significant break outside of this trend that we were in. So this is an important moment for Bitcoin. Let me tell you where I'm hoping Bitcoin can go, because there's another thing it looks like it's about to do as well. We were forming, as you can see here, and then a high here, and then a low here, and then a high here, and then a low here. So this is a series of lower highs and lower lows. So that's a descending channel right there. So what it looks like we're about to do, so we've got to go back to this one right here. And if I go to the close of the candle, that was at around 62,224, but that candle actually got up to about 62,600. So we've got a few $100s to go to start setting a higher high. So that is what we want to see. And at the same time, these numbers are so close that what we would really like to see is this purple line at 63,000 has been serving on and off as resistance and support. So it would be nice if we could have a higher high, so at least something up here. But really, if we can get across this purple line, then we can start heading back up and get this bull run back on. So we're in our third 4-hour candle, and this is now pretty significant breakout. So I'm hoping this holds, but as you guys know with Bitcoin, this could also be a fake out. We have the rest of the weekend. It's Saturday night. I'd like to see this trend continue through Sunday. Let's stay outside of that trading channel, and if we can set a higher high, and if we can get above 63,000, I think we can start to make our run again. If not, if we fail to set a higher high and we can't get above 63,000, then I guess I'm still looking at this line at 59,625. And I'm going to tell you, I'm going to add another line right now. Okay, so I just added a blue line. I mean, it's very close to my yellow line, so it's not that much of a difference. But this blue line is right about at $60,000. And it really seems like 60,000 has turned into very strong support. So you can see, we touched that here, right here in this flash crash. We just bounced right off of 60,000. And then earlier today, we got right down to within $100 of that line. So we have not crossed $60,000. So this is starting to set up as very strong support. So not much of a difference from our previous yellow line, but I just wanted to add that line because there seems to be a lot of buying pressure at 60,000. So I think 60,000 has turned into some very strong support. So just to give you a little bit of a different perspective, I switched from the 4-hour candles to the 30-minute candles, and I think it makes it a little clearer. You'll see we are even on the 30-minute level. We seem to be picking up momentum. We're in the middle of two very nice green candles right here. So that's the most recent activity. We've broken out. We're definitely headed to the upside at the moment. So we're hoping the momentum can continue. Obviously, we can't start trading the Bitcoin mining stocks until Monday morning, but in between now and then, there's a few key things that Bitcoin can do to set us up to be in a good spot. If we can get back to this purple line at 63,000, that would be very bullish. And if we could set a higher high back from the beginning of this channel, which was at about 64,300, that would be extremely bullish. So we're hoping to do something like this over the next rest of the weekend. I will do another short video before the end of this weekend to see how this played out. Did this uptrend, is this a real breakout? Are we back in a bullish trend, or did this reverse and we're going to go back down and test 60,000 again? So just wanted to bring everybody up to date as to how I'm looking at the chart. This seems like a significant moment over this weekend for Bitcoin, a deciding moment, and it looks like we are trending upwards. So if you're interested in Bitcoin and the Bitcoin miners, we update the Bitcoin chart and we update the miners as well in specific on a regular basis. It's a big part of the content in this channel. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, please smash the like button. And everybody have a great weekend, and I'll try and get one more video out tomorrow to give an update on what's happening with this trend. So have a great weekend. Thanks for watching.